Major construction work at the West End Clinic has been completed, and finishing work is underway ahead of the reopening of the facility in just a few weeks. The clinic, which is built on a state-of-the-art concept, will offer additional triage, examination, and treatment rooms, dental suites, a trauma area, staff training area, radiology services, on-call and ready rooms, and a staff training area. PHA Managing Director Herbert Brown said a key feature of the renovated clinic is the establishment of a 24-hour ambulance service, which is expected to improve response times from the clinic to the Brandon Memorial Hospital, which is located some 27 miles away in Freeport.
The community is excited because they know that at the end of the day, they're going to have a facility where they can come 24 hours, and they will have enhanced facilities here. This is not just about building the building. This is about enhancing the quality of service we provide to the people of the Bahamas, and in this instance, to the people of West End.
Coupled with the anticipated medical benefits to the West End community and surrounding areas, Minister for Grand Bahama, Dr. the Honorable Michael Darville, said the facility will positively impact the anticipated growth of the entire island.
When I came in as minister, this was one of the things that I envisioned. Mr. Brown and myself, we worked very closely together to make this a reality. And the first step was to improve the primary health care facilities throughout the island from West End to Sweetens Cape.
With a price tag of $1.3 million, the upgrades undertaken to modernize the West End Clinic in tandem with NHI guidelines are designed to provide for enhanced equity and quality of care. Darville noted that the opportunity to transform the existing structure, which was built some 60 years ago using a construction company from the community, is a favorable sign for the expectations for health care in the country.